Unit 19 art lesson is how to use magazines to make paper weaving. This is an example of a beautiful paper weaving. You can see the face popping out. Okay, here's our materials to get ready. You're going to get magazines. It usually works better if you use the cover of magazines. It's a little thicker of a paper. You're going to need a pencil, a nice ruler, an X-Acto blade cutter, and you're going to need a cutting mat. You can see it here. And you're going to maybe need a pair of scissors and something to glue. So, number one, step one, you're going to tear out 2 pages. You can see she's got 2 pages here. And you're going to use, like I said, the thicker covers are better. Then you're going to, step 2, cut the magazine pages into strips, 1/4-inch strips all the way down. Okay. Step 3, you're going to create your paper loom. Now, this is white to show you where to cut. You're going to leave 1 inch on each side of the border, and you're going to draw straight lines down the paper, all the way down. Now you can see she's starting to use her X-Acto blade to cut the magazine page. This is what it's going to look like. Step 4, you're going to have all your lines cut. Now, you're ready to weave. So let's take the magazine paper strips and put it in. You're going to go over and under. You're going to make your first row, and it's very important to make sure that the second strip starts the opposite way of the first strip. So if you went over the first strip in, you're going to do under. Here she is starting to weave. You can see on the top, she's got the white strips going through. Okay, here's a closer look. So it's over and under, and you go all the way over. Now, there it is showing you. If you went over on the top, you're going to go under for the next row. So now, once you get the whole page finished, you might want to take the edge and put a little glue on it to keep it stiff and stuck. This is kind of what it's going to look like. Now, you can use 2 different pieces of paper. This is black and white, showing a face. Experiment and have fun and be creative. Good job.